All right, so here's going to be a quick little tutorial video on how to add the missing AR kit blend shape on my male base heads. And this is basically for anybody who isn't able to just simply re-download the file, because obviously I would have updated the files by now on the Gumroad or Jinxie or wherever you might be able to get this head at. I should have uploaded the proper fix for it, but this is for if you have perhaps maybe used the sculpt tool to kind of move some things around, kind of push and pull things or whatever, made some changes. As long as you haven't edited the actual geometry itself, it should be fine. It should just work. So this is super simple. We're just going to select the mesh or the head or body or, what I'm assuming that you already have the body attached to it, but we're just going to select the head mesh here or whatever mesh that has the blend shapes on it. We're going to go to the object data properties, and we're just going to simply scroll all the way down to the bottom of the AR kit blend shapes, which is usually the tongue out. So that's going to be this one right here. That's the very bottom. So the one that we're missing is the mouse stretch right. We have mouse stretch left here. We're missing mouse stretch right. And it must have just gotten deleted somewhere along the lines of cleaning up the files and getting it ready for upload for you guys. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and replace that. Or we're going to add the missing one. So all you have to do is select the mouse stretch left. We're going to activate it, activate the blend shape. So obviously we can see here it's moving, it's activating. So we're going to put it to 1. And now we're going to simply come to this drop down here and go to new shape from mix. That's going to create us a new blend shape with that value of the previous blend shape. And I'm going to obviously press this X button to kind of zero out all the blend shapes just to make sure there's no other influence anywhere else. We're going to activate this blend shape, this brand new one that we just made. I'm going to activate it, and then I'm going to come back down to this drop down menu, and we're going to hit mirror shape key. And it should just mirror over. Now you might get some errors that are like a yellow condition that says such and such vertices failed. That's totally fine. You can completely ignore that. All it's doing is mirroring the ones that are affected by that specific blend shape. So once you've got it mirrored over, I'm just going to clear it all out again. And I'm going to just move this blend shape all the way up next to the other one. So we got it right here, right above tongue out. And I'm just going to simply copy the name of the left one, Control C, Control V, and then I'm just going to rename it mouse stretch capital R right. And that should be it. Your software should be able to pick it up. You got the left one and the right one now, and it should all just work. Let me know if you have any issues. Feel free to DM me on Discord or send me a message through email. However you can contact me, just let me know and I'll do my best to try to help you. All right, thanks.